Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to purchase from Gumroad. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This ensures you can track your purchases and download your content later. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, look at the left panel of your screen and click on Discover. This section is where you can browse through all the products available on Gumroad, from digital downloads to creative assets and courses. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type in the product you're looking for. This allows you to quickly find exactly what you need without browsing through endless categories. Once you've entered your search, you'll see a list of results appear. Take a moment to browse through them and click on the product that catches your interest. This will open the product page where you can view more details, see previews, and read descriptions about what's included. Now, on the right panel of the product page, you'll notice an Add to Cart button. Click on it to proceed with your purchase. This adds the item to your cart and prepares it for checkout. After adding the product to your cart, you'll need to provide some information to complete your purchase. In the right panel, you'll see a field where you need to type your email address. This is important because Gumroad will send your purchase confirmation and download links to this email, so make sure it's accurate. Below that, you'll find another field where you need to type your full name. Enter your name as it appears on your payment method to ensure everything matches up correctly during the transaction. Next, you'll see a field for entering your card number. Go ahead and type in your card details in the designated field. Gumroad uses secure payment processing, so your information is protected throughout the transaction. Finally, click the Pay button to complete your purchase. After clicking, the payment will be processed and you should receive a confirmation email shortly with your receipt and access to your purchase content. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a product from Gumroad and can now access your digital content right away. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.